Okay guys, welcome to another tutorial. So you kind of notice my Chrome, it's not playing sound. The Chrome browser is not playing sound even when I've checked all the tabs and it's not muted. Because what you have to do is to check if the tab is muted. Check, I've checked, and it's not muted. When I play the sound, it's not playing. It's not playing at all. At all, it's not playing at all. So I'm going to show you also how to fix this. So first of all, like I said, you check the mute if anything is muted. If not, you go to these three dots here and click on it. Move down to settings and then head to privacy and security. Scroll down and click on site settings. Now scroll down and click on additional content. Click on sound. Then check if sites can play sound. Yes, checked. If it's checked, then you also check if there's any site that's added to not allowed to play sound. If there is any, you can remove it. If not, you can go back and check your video is playing. Right now, mine is not playing. I think the next step is to like troubleshoot. So you can go ahead and type sound in the search menu and click on sound settings. Then the master volume is up. Then you can troubleshoot it. You can troubleshoot it. You can also go ahead and check if there is any other selected audio which is not your system's audio. You can check for them here if there are any other audios speakers added. So if this doesn't fix your sound, you can still go ahead and still type troubleshoot settings. You can click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters, playing audio, click on this. And then you run the troubleshooter. Also, then it checks and asks it to open audio enhancements. Now, normally my system is playing audio, but then that is my browser that is not playing audio. So if I play the sound, definitely if it's a system problem, it won't play. But right now it's played, so it's not a system problem. So I think there is one fix. Then I found this out. Okay, so if this doesn't work for you, I think there could be something wrong with your audio driver. But then this is the fix that fixed mine. So you right click on the audio icon on your taskbar by the bottom right of the screen and right click on it. You want to open volume mixer. Now you can scroll to look for Chrome. This is Chrome right here. You can see that Chrome is reduced shockingly. So if I increase this volume and I play,
It represents your newsletter. So it could be an image like this, it could be half the image, it could be just.
so right now you can hear that volume. Now if this doesn't fix yours, well, I think the next thing is to update the driver, uninstall the driver and update the driver. So you can search device manager. Yeah, that's it, device manager. Click on device manager. Now look for audio input. Then this is you can update. You can disable the device and enable it again. You can uninstall this device and download it again. So it all depends on you. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe. Also leave a like and comment. keep experiencing this problem, you can drop your problem in the comments too. You can see how to solve it. Thank you.